In this tutorial, I will show you how you can reach out for assistance from your Rapyd Dashboard. This is going to be a straightforward tutorial, so let's begin. When you're logged into your Rapyd account, you will see this chat icon accessible on every page. If you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Here, we have tabs for Home, Messages, Tickets, Tasks, and Help. Later in the video, we'll explore each of these tabs in detail. But first, let's take a look at the Home tab. Within this tab, you'll find various sections. The first section displays your recent message or conversation, allowing you to review your most recent interaction with our support team. Following that, you'll find your recent ticket. Clicking on a ticket will provide you with its details, including its current status. Next, you have the option to send us a new message. At the bottom, we've included options for you to select the department you'd like to connect with and an option to create a new ticket. Lastly, we provide access to our help articles, which you can utilize to address any issues you may encounter. Moving on to the next tab, we have Messages. In this section, you'll have access to not only your recent conversations, but also all your previous interactions, along with the option to initiate a new conversation with us. Adjacent to that, you'll find your previously submitted tickets. Additionally, we've introduced a Tasks tab to assist you in getting started with Rapyd. If you require further assistance, you'll find our articles available within the Help tab at the far right. You may search for an article using these folders, or use the search bar at the top. And that wraps it up. You've now mastered the convenient method to seek help and support directly from your Rapyd Dashboard. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to get in touch.